we are going to show you how to make this shoebox aquarium. It comes complete with a pom-pom pufferfish, which is quite hard to say, and some cardboard tube fish and some squiggly wiggly jellyfish. Now if you like this video, make sure you subscribe to the Hobbycraft channel and don't forget to click the bell icon to be notified of brand new content. Keep watching and we'll show you how to make it.
You will need a shoebox, a cardboard tube, a scrap of card, felt, double-sided tape, wool, nylon thread and a needle, paint, pipe cleaners, rickrack or ribbon, googly eyes, egg cartons, craft glue, a Sharpie and some mini lolly sticks. Start by measuring and marking a frame about 1 inch wide onto the box. Then cut this out and repeat for the sides of the box. Paint the inside back of the box blue, then add a simple seascape to the background. Bend and twist pipe cleaners, like this, to look like pieces of coral. Then glue them into the box. To make a fish, cut a cardboard tube in half and squash one end. Draw a tail to fit into the squashed end on a scrap of card along with some fins. Cut these out, then glue or tape the tail into the tube and add the fins. Paint your fish and add a little pink around the open end of the tube for a mouth. Add some googly eyes and draw on some details with a Sharpie. For a little clownfish, take the rest of the tube and draw a fish onto it. Cut this out and paint orange and white. Once dry, add some details with a Sharpie. Now for the pufferfish, make a pom-pom by wrapping wool around a book about 200 times. Pull off the wool and tie tightly around the bundle, then cut through the loops. Trim to make a nice neat pom-pom. Twist a pipe cleaner into an O shape and glue to the pom-pom for a mouth. Then cut 3 triangles like this from felt and glue to the sides and back of the fish for fins and a tail. Add googly eyes to finish. To make a pair of jellyfish, trim 2 egg cartons to make a cone, then paint. Glue pieces of rickrack inside the cone for tentacles and add googly eyes to finish. To hang your sea creatures, thread nylon through the card or around the pom-pom and secure with a knot. Push the other end through the top of the aquarium. Make sure the length is right, then tie a lolly stick to the end to keep it in place. Now you can use the sticks to make your fish jump and dance around.
Now if you like this craft, make sure you check out the Hobbycraft Ideas Hub because there's a super cardboard box zoo on there. Thanks for watching.